Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Doordash account's password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Doordash application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. Now, tap on the account tab at the bottom right and from your account tab, scroll down under account settings and tap on personal information. Right under your email address, you'll be able to see an option that says change your password. Tap it on and enter your old password in the first text box. Once you do that, type in your new password you'd like to change to on the next. Go to the confirm new password text box and type in the new password once again. Finally, after updating your password, tap on change my password button at the bottom. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Doordash application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.